Time has come for season 3 of the Just Other Chris Halloween special. We have an exciting 5-part series coming your way. We're going to find out if the Polaroid Now Plus still sucks. You're going to learn about special effects filters for your Polaroid photos, utilizing transparencies. We're going to test expired Polaroid film, but with a twist. Collaborations from Dave Knopp from the Knopp Top YouTube channel. You're going to see a custom modified Polaroid camera labeled the Chief. And introducing for the first time the brand new membership club known as the Spitfire Club. You'll have a chance to win a Polaroid Originals filter pack and more. It all starts tomorrow, October 27th, 2022. There'll be an episode every single day leading up to Halloween. And if you're wondering how I'm using this epic song, well, I'm actually taking a copyright hit on this, so hopefully you guys enjoy the video. See you tomorrow. Bye.